In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to appear online in Slack in just under 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned user or someone getting accustomed to this essential communication tool, the process is straightforward and quick. Let's start by heading over to the Slack website. You'll be going to AI Work Management and Productivity Tools. This is where all the magic happens. Slack is a powerful ally for online collaboration, but first you need to access your workspace. Next, proceed to sign in. If you rely on Google for logins, you're in luck because Slack provides a smooth sign-in with Google option. It's a streamlined process ensuring you don't have to remember yet another password. Once there, you can input your Google credentials and proceed. Upon signing in, you're taken straight to your Slack dashboard. This is your command center for all things Slack related, a place where you can see all your channels, messages, and notifications. Having a tidy, organized dashboard makes your workflow much more manageable. From your dashboard, look to the top right corner where you'll find your profile icon. Clicking on this gives you access to several settings. Among these options is the one you're looking for. Set yourself as active. This is the key step in appearing online. Choosing this option flips your status from away or offline to active, signaling to your team that you're available and ready to engage. Remember, setting yourself to active manually is a handy way to ensure your availability is accurately represented. Sometimes inactivity or closing your computer might set your status to away automatically, but manually adjusting this keeps you present and part of the action, even if you're just taking a brief screen break. Ultimately, maintaining an active status in Slack is not just about appearing online, it's about staying connected and ensuring that colleagues can reach you when they need to. It reflects your eagerness to collaborate and participate in the ongoing conversations that fuel team success. By following these steps, you're now ready to dive back into your tasks, fully connected and communicatively available. That's all for our quick tutorial on how to appear online in Slack. I hope you found this guide simple and easy to follow. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks to enhance your productivity in the digital workspace. Thanks for joining me today and happy slacking.